To scan QR codes on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, you can, for example, go to the control center, and then over here, by default, there is the QR code scanner added, so you can just tap on it in order to open it. And if needed, of course, you want to grant all necessary permissions, and then you want to simply point at the QR code, and you might be able to scan the QR code. Now, in my case, unfortunately, this scanner never works. I'm not sure why, but I always have trouble with actually using this scanner. By the way, the same scanner can be also found in the app drawer. It is over here, so you can use that instead. But if the scanner doesn't work for you, just like in my case, then you can use the camera instead. In the camera, in the photo mode, you should be able to simply point at the QR code. And if you do, here on the left side, you will find this QR code icon. You can tap on it, and then you can open the generated link in the browser, or you can copy the link if needed. And in case it doesn't work for you in the camera, you cannot scan the QR code, then you can tap on this arrow that we have at the top. And in here we can go to settings. Here we can proceed to AI recommendations, and you want to make sure that scan QR codes is on. Leave a like and subscribe.